DALY 3.5-inch TFT Color HD display screen, clear and intuitive. Supports 3rd and 4th generation home storage BMS. Suitable for household energy storage applications. Connect using UART communication cable, the display will activate automatically. View real-time data of a single pack. SoC, voltage, current, power, temperature, capacity, and parallel summary. Button instructions. Press the menu button to return to the main menu. Press the enter button to enter the page. Press the down button to move the red cursor. Press the ESC button to return to the previous level. Switching to BMS interface. View detailed battery pack information, such as individual cell voltage, temperature measurements, capacity, and BMS status. Switching to parallel interface, view summarized parallel information. Switching to inverter interface, view/select inverter protocol. The screen turns off after 60 seconds of inactivity. Press any button to wake the screen.